Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, my journey to becoming debt free, and also budget videos. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be stuffing $273. I am only going to be stuffing 2 binders today. So let's go ahead and count and make sure that we have $273. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73. So we have our $273. How has everyone been doing? Let me know in the comments down below how your budget is going so far. But we are going to stuff everyday binder first. So eating out is going to get $12, and I am going to have to like switch bills out because I literally went to the bank this morning at like super early, and of course I had to go to the ATM because the bank isn't open. So I will be switching bills out eventually. Oh, you know what, I need to actually write on this. Sometimes I try to remember to write on it beforehand, but of course I don't. So eating out got 12. So now it only has 12. 10, 11, 12. Our next one, spending money, is going to get 25. And that is all that is going to have. Y'all, last month I was spending like I'm in Congress. Good Lord. Like a lot of my envelopes are empty. It's insane. So now spending money has 20, 25. Next is gas is getting nothing. Joe's hair will get nothing. Medical is going to get 20. Giving medical 50. So now medical has 20, 40, 50. Next is groceries. Groceries will be getting 125. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and 5. So now groceries should have 145. Let's go ahead and count that up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 45. Yes. Y'all, it's like groceries are so high now, it's ridiculous, you guys. Especially me, with me being plant-based, it's insane. So beauty is going to get 15, but I'm gonna come back to that simply because I don't have the exact. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, I don't have the exact. Clothing will be getting nothing. Joe's spending will be getting nothing. My hair will get 6. So that's going to give us 20. So I'm going to switch this out. So my hair is going to get 5, 6. So let's go ahead and count. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now my hair has 20, and I'm going to just exchange this out. I wish they like gave like out 10s. I remember like back in the day, the ATM would give out 10s. Like it would ask you like how you would want your money back, and you can be like, yeah, I want 10s or something like that. So beauty gets 15. Let's make sure Zion gets 10. So let's go back to beauty and give it 10. Did I even write on my hair? Probably not. So beauty gets 15. So now beauty should have 17. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. And let me go and actually write on my hair. I can't believe it's like March. I know everyone says as like a new month began, but March got here rather quickly. All right, so I'm gonna come back to the Zion envelope because I don't have enough. So when I switch out the bills, hopefully I'm able to switch out the bills. Let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh wait, no, I have 10 right here. You know what, I'm gonna still hold off. I'm gonna just hold off on the Zion envelope. So I'm gonna put that up there. And then I am going to grab my holiday binder. So, New Year's get nothing. Valentine's Day gets nothing. Easter is going to get 23. So now Easter should have, wait. Why I get so much? What did I just do, y'all? Lord, look at me not paying attention. What did I just do? Did I grab too much? I did. Apparently I grabbed too much. Yeah, I grabbed a 5. I'm like, what? Okay, so now Easter should have 28, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Next is going to be Father's Day. Father's Day is going to get 11. Ugh, this right here, I tell you. All right, so what I decided is I'm just going to take this and put this 10 over here. That makes it a whole lot easier because it's supposed to get 11. So plus 11, that gives us 26. So 20, 25, 26 for Father's Day. Next, Juneteenth is going to get 11 as well. And that should give us 16. Yeah, and our bank isn't open on the weekend. Let me know in the comments down below if your bank is open on the weekend. I remember when I lived in Ohio, it used to be like all the banks will be open on the weekend until like noon, or like, I'm not on the weekend, like on Saturday up until noon, which was pretty awesome. But when I moved down south, like none of the banks are open on Saturday. All right, so Juneteenth now has 16, 10, 15, 16. Next, 4th of July is going to get 10, but I still have a 20. Thanksgiving is also going to get 5. So I need to make some change. Let me see. Let me see what I have. All right, awesome. So I was able to switch out. So I think I am on 4th of July or am I on Juneteenth? All right, 4th of July. 4th of July will be getting 10, which will give us 15, 5, or 10, 15. Next, Zion will get 10. Let me make sure I calculated correctly. Okay, yeah. Thanksgiving is going to get 5. Y'all know I be messing up sometimes, especially when I gotta like switch out money from other envelopes. That jacks me up. So Thanksgiving gets 5, which will now give us 10. So Thanksgiving has 5, 10. And let's go back to my everyday binder and put 10 into Zion's. I had this little boy over the weekend, y'all. I be so tired after I have him. That is a busy body. That 2-year-old child. So now Zion has 5, 10. That is all for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this cash stuffing video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Do you ever call by